Hey there, Mike Jose here with SEO Monster Design, and here's the video that we promised you. Um, so I'm going to give you 3 tips today that you could actually implement onto your website yourself. That'll start bringing in more traffic through your website from Google. Okay, so I don't want to waste too much of your time or mine, so let's get going. So the first tip that I have for you, Mike, is your content, and by content I mean your words and your images. Okay, Google really loves content, and all these search engines they just love the more content, the better. Okay, so the first thing is you see this logo here. If I go to save it, see how it's saved as logo? What you want to do is save it as a keyword. And by a keyword, I mean the words that people are typing into Google when searching for your services. For example, carpet cleaning South Carolina, or carpet cleaning Greensboro, or wherever you're at. Right? That's what people are typing in, so that's what you want to have, so that when somebody types it in, Google can connect you to them, and by finding those words on your website, it says, well, these guys have it, let me connect them. So that's another reason why you want about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your website, so you can fit more of these keywords. And just in a little bit, I'm going to show you which keywords you're missing out on. So I did pull up a couple of your competitors there in your area, and I put all 3 of you on this tool that I have that allows me to look at all of your stats. So as you can see here, Zero Res Columbia has 669 keywords on their website. Stanley Steamer has 77, and you have 76. Now the question is, how many are you being found for? So let's go ahead and look deeper into that. So in order to be found on Google, you need to be in positions 1 through 10. And as you can see, this is where it stops. So this is how many words you're being found for out of all of those that you have. And you're losing a bunch of positions, looks like. So AMA Enterprises is searched 50 times a month, and you're in the first position for that. So that's good. That'll bring you some calls. Carpet Repair Columbia is searched 30 times a month. You're in the 5th or 6th position as well. So you're in the middle of the front page there. Carpet Patching Services, 80 searches a month. You're in the 7th position for that, and it looks like you just lost one. And the rest of these you're just not being found for anymore. Carpet Cleaning Columbia, 300 searches a month. Carpet Cleaning Lexington, 150 searches a month. That's already 450. Let's say you get 10% of these 2 words. That's 45 jobs a month. So I don't know how much you make per job, but that's how much these other guys are making. Okay, whichever jobs you don't get, that's what these guys are picking up. So let's take a look at theirs. Let's line them up. See, first positions all the way to the middle of the page. So they're getting a bunch of these. As you can see, 60, 40, 30, 60. Then they go to the 2nd position. But see, there's that same word that you were in the 14th position. These guys are in the 2nd position for 300 searches a month. 300 searches a month. Okay? And then Lexington, 150 searches a month. They're in the 3rd position for that. So Carpet Cleaning Lexington, South Carolina, 150. Columbia Carpet Cleaning, 80. So I just really wanted to emphasize that for you guys, how important it is to have these keywords on your website. The second tip that I have for you is your backlinks. And that's how you get power for your website. See, this 35 is their front page power. The 16 is their overall website power. And they get that power through backlinks. Now, what a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. So you guys have 20 front page power and a 0.2 overall website power. So we really, really need to get more higher quality backlinks. As you can see, they have 900 and you have 400. So you really need to focus on getting higher quality, high powered backlinks. Okay, so that's your second tip. And those 2 tips are crucial, absolutely crucial for your website to start ranking here in the organic section. Now, the third tip I have for you is for the map pack. In order to start outranking your competitors here in the map pack, what you need is citations. What a citation is anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory, such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, That's what a citation is. And you want to get about 30 or 40 more above what your competitors have. So those are the three tips I wanted to give you. Number one being keywords, number two, backlinks, and number three, citations. These are things that you can implement yourself onto your website. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you don't have any time to do this, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jose with SEO Monster Design, and my number is 806-268-7118. I'd be happy to help. And I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has, all that I ask is that you leave me a review on my Facebook page or on my Google My Business page. They'll be in the email that I send you with this video. I appreciate your time watching this through. You have a great day.